the girl has been living and doing. And I did film a couple of videos, and I hope I can upload this one here, but I always get time. I do not get time to edit and just publish them, and I'm coming with a video for 2020 and wishing you guys a happy new year. But anyway, happy new year, and I hope you guys have I'm not a person who does have a new year resolution. I just make plans. I just make, not like, oh, this is what I'm gonna stop, this is what I'm gonna start, this is, I have ideas in my mind of what I want to achieve, and I work towards it, but I do not, I don't know, I'm just a free spirit. I just go with it as it comes. But anyway, if you guys are having New Year's resolution, I'm really happy for you, and work towards it and achieve it. And for today's video, I'm just here with another tutorial with this nice kind of nude purple. It's really subtle, it's very pretty, it's very classy, beautiful, simple look, not over the top, screaming out like yeah. And yeah, and I really hope you guys going to enjoy it, to see how I have achieved all this look. Keep on watching. Okay, I already primed my face, and I'm gonna go with the Studio Fix from MAC Cosmetic. This foundation doesn't come with the pump, you have to buy your own pump. It's about 150 to 200 by MAC, and I was like, it's totally ridiculous. Okay, and then I'm gonna go with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. This one is Studio Perfecting Powder. This one is in medium dark to set my face. Already prime, and I am going with the MAC Pan eyeshadow. This one is the red brick. I'm gonna use this for my transitioning color. I'm just going to apply it here on my eyelid, with my, and then I'm gonna go with this palette. It's Aurora from Glamour Cosmetics, and it got 9 beautiful shade, and I'm gonna go with this dark chocolate here on the bottom corner, and I'm going to use this as my creasing color. I'm gonna patch like that, and then just drag it a little bit. Very beautiful. And I'm gonna go with this it's warm pink, so it's more on the red side of the pink, and I'm just putting it on top of my crease, on top of my brow bone, to just highlight, so that the chocolate at the bottom, so that the chocolates on the creasing area can just be more vivid. And this one, I'm just putting it right on the brow. And then I'm gonna go with the red brick on top of the pink one to give it a little bit of. And to cut crease, I'm just going with my LA Girl Pro concealer. I'm just trying to blend it so it's not so sticky for my eyeshadow to sit nicely. And I'm going with this. So my camera died. I used the pigment in blue brown to put it here and to create that ombre effect. So I basically just put it on here from the inner corner upwards and to the outer area of my eyelid to create the ombre effect. And I'm gonna go with my Real Technique powder brush to blend everything. I think the baking is finally finished. And I'm going with Maybelline Mousse all-in-one powder. This one is, it's in 25 mocha. I'm gonna use this for my contour. And this has been discontinued. It was like a limited edition by Maybelline, and I'm still praying to God that they will somehow decide to continue with this. I don't know. I don't know why they discontinue using it. So this is the only palette I'm left with. This is the only one that I have. I use this very sparingly. It's a beautiful powder, and it just gives my skin that warmth. I don't like to use dark contour anymore. This one, it just gives it that natural warmth and natural face. And I'm just also going to contour my nose as well. To make it look smaller, honey. To make it look a little bit snatched. So I'm gonna go with, this is not an eyeliner, this is a lip liner from MAC. This one is burgundy. Oops. I'm just gonna use this in my waterline. And then I'm going with this chocolate one again that I've used earlier on. And then I am going with the pigment from MAC, the blue brown, to go under to highlight the bottom part of my lower lid. And then I'm gonna go with Aurora palette again. I'm gonna go with this silver one to highlight my brow bone. And I'm gonna go with this Wet n Wild eyeliner. It's a liquid eyeliner to eyeline my eyes before I can. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. And it's so cheap. It's only $59. Eyelashes, I'm gonna go with this elongated eyelashes from Clicks. And then I'm gonna go to blush my face. I'm gonna go with MAC Resin. My favorite one is still Love Bang, but I'm also really enjoying this one here as well. And to highlight, I'm going with MAC Dazzling. And to highlight, I'm gonna go with MAC Oh Darling Extra Dimension highlighter. Just going to for that extra hunchy. And for my lip, I'm going with the. And for my lip, I'm gonna go with the MAC lip liner burgundy to line my lip. And I'm going with the Barbie pink. This one is from my Signature. I'm just gonna put this in the middle of my, and then I'm going to use my MAC So Me. It's the from the Retro Matte Liquid. And just blend and get them married and become unified. And then spraying with the Fix spray from MAC. And then there you have it. That's the final look. Hope you guys have enjoyed this, and yeah, let me know what you guys think down below. And I'm gonna start doing vlogs. I think that's one of my main. I've never done vlogs, so I'm going to start vlogs in. So yeah, and thank you so much for watching. As always, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and let me know what you think down below the comment here for it. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, it's your girl Nella. I am checking out. I love you guys. Peace and be safe out there. Deuces. Bye.